Hi, in this video we are going to see how we can create a multi-agent system to automate event planning. So before diving into the Jupyter notebook, let's see how we are going to make our multi-agent system. So first of all, there would be an agent which is going to find a relevant venue for the event that we want to host, and after that this information will be passed asynchronously to two different agents. One is the logistic agent and other is the marketing agent. So the logistic agent will be seeing if all the equipments and the location and everything is working fine and as per the requirement, and marketing agent would actually put out a campaign which is for like marketing the event or the event that we are going to perform. So now going into the Jupyter notebook, first we are filtering out the warning, importing different classes from Crew AI, and then we are setting up the API key for GPT 3.5 Turbo and Serper API key. Again here we are going to use two different tools. One is search tool and the scrape tool. Search tool is going to do a Google search for the relevant document that we want to scrape out, and once the Google search is done, scrape tool can visit any particular website to scrape out the data out of that. After that, we are going to create three different agents. First is the venue coordinator. The goal is to identify and book an appropriate venue based on the event requirement. So that is the first agent that we have created. Second is the logistic manager, whose goal is to manage all the logistics, including the catering and the equipment. And the tools access which is given to both of these agents is like search tool and the scrape tool that we have discussed, and we have also like attached the backstory to these agents. Then comes the marketing and communication agent. Role and goal is to effectively market the event and communicate with the participants with the backstory. So once these agents are prepared, then we are going to create our own venue object. This venue object will be used by the agent to output the information in a particular JSON format, and these would be the columns in that JSON. Now coming to the task. So the first task is the venue task, in which we are attaching venue coordinator, the agent that we have compiled in the first cell, and the output JSON and the output file we can see that we have specified here, and this venue detail is the class that we have just compiled here. So the final output would be saved in the venue details file based on the requirement of the user. Second is the logistic task. In the logistic task, we have attached the logistic manager as the agent and also provided a description and the expected output to confirm all the logistic arrangements, including catering and equipment setup. Then comes the marketing task, and we are passing the event topic and the expected participants and all the details to it. And we can see it is going to output a markdown file, marketing report MD. And also you can see the asynchronous execution equal to true. So both of these tasks are asynchronous. They are independent of each other and can generate output independently. And these two agents are dependent just on the venue coordinator and the venue task. Now let's create a crew. Here we have specified all the agents in the task which are required, and then we are going to give the input. So the event topic is Tech Innovation Conference. Description is to like gather tech innovators and the industry leaders. Event city, date, budget, and the venue type. Now we are going to kick off our crew and see how our multi-agent system is going to give us the output that we are going to expect. So deep diving into the output. Also there's one more thing, human input equal to true. So in one of the tasks we have specified logistic task human input equal to true. So it will be like taking input from the human to execute and see if the human is satisfied with the output of the task which is executed. So let's get started. So first is the venue coordinator. So when we are giving like the input of the conference and all, so venue coordinator is going to search the Google of different links on the Google which is relevant and based in San Francisco. So once that is done, it is saying I need to review the information, search the results and all, and it is going inside different websites now to take out different kind of details which are required for our tasks. So it is just scraping all the websites, and also it has accumulated all the details of different venues. Once that is done, it is saying city view. So in between, it has asked if the details which it has provided is appropriate or not. I have inputted a yes to that, and after that, different kind of agents now I started working. So then comes the logistic manager. Again, it is like scraping the internet to take out different kind of information. And last is the marketing agent, and which has created a markdown output that we can also see in the bottom. So the venue details which were saved in JSON file, we can see the address, booking status, capacity, and the name, which is saved in this JSON file, and also the marketing report which is created by the marketing agent, and this is how it looks like. So again, we have created a multi-agent system to do event task planning in an autonomous way, just giving an input to the multi-agent system. Thank you.